My name is Andrew Jean. Today I'll be presenting Company D Drews in the Business Strategy Game. Our mission statement is to promote a level of confidence through the power of new shoes. We're dedicated to providing affordable, inexpensive, and stylish shoes. Our goals include establishing a reputation in the shoe industry that promotes us to be the most affordable and reliable company. Our focus includes average quality products but with high service, retail support, efficient delivery time when shipping, adequate inventory, celebrity endorsements, return on equity, earnings per share, credit rating, image rating, stock price, and market share. Our competitive advantage approach is the lower cost. It allows us to pursue cost savings. It also prevents us from reducing product quality. This means we're prone to keep consistent quality within our product. It also attracts buyers through the price with the aim of promotion through word of mouth. Advantages and risks. Advantages. Chance of greater total profit. Increase in market shares because we will sell underneath competitors. Risk. Low cost doesn't always attract new consumers. Competitors can easily lower prices as well. How to differentiate? Service. Low cost approach info. Our target market is a mixture of different consumers attracted by not only style but price as well. In a low cost approach, you need cumulative costs across overall value lower than the competitor's cumulative cost. How to obtain low cost? Perform actions that reduce or eliminate cost producing activities. Engage in activities that are more cost effective than rivals. Performance charts, net revenue, and earnings per share. We have seen an increase in net revenue throughout the years. This has been attributed to net sales and profit. Earnings per share has exceeded investors' expectations and has increased significantly throughout the years. This can be attributed to an increase in net revenue. Performance charts, return on equity and stock price. Return on equity has been a bit of a fluctuation. For the most part, we've been able to meet investors' expectations. This is due to the fact that we were able to increase profit margins throughout the years. Diversified portfolios contribute to the increase in our stock price. We were able to reinvest some of our profit into the company, more specifically upgrading our plants. Credit rating has remained above expectations due to the fact that we've only taken a small loan and we were able to make on-time payments using net profit. Image rating has decreased significantly due to low SQ ratings and market shares. Regarding market share, Internet has done significantly well. Wholesale has shown to decrease, and we lost establishment in the private label segment. This market analysis of North America shows all relevant information in each segment regarding price, SQ rating, advertising budget, retailer demand, gain, loss due to inventory, bid price, market share, and more. Pay close attention to year 13 gain loss. The company had a negative inventory which resulted in a loss. Moving forward, we will need to ensure our inventory is adequate in efforts to avoiding a loss. We need more retailers to carry our products. We will increase market share and increase celebrity appeal. Establishing ourselves in the private label segment is also going to be a big one.